You do hundreds of sit-ups every single night, yet your core still looks flat. Why? Because you're training the wrong way. Here's the truth. You don't build a stronger core while you're working out. The workout only breaks down your muscle fibers. The real growth happens later, while you're sleeping, while you're recovering, even while you're doing absolutely nothing. So stop wasting your time on endless sit-ups. They can overload your lower back, and they won't build the rock-solid core you're chasing. Now think about Bruce Lee. He didn't create his legendary midsection by doing endless crunches. He built it by forcing his entire torso to resist movement. Every muscle stayed under intense isometric tension. That's what created unbelievable core strength. And today, you're going to learn the same principle. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you a simple 3-step home blueprint to build a stronger, more powerful core without a single piece of gym equipment. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop training your ego and start training your core using real science. Step 1. Master the hollow body hold. Before you even think about advanced core exercises, you need to master this first. The biggest mistake most people make is jumping straight into the dragon flag. Their lower back arches, their hips take over, and all the stress shifts away from the core. Instead of building stronger abs, they're putting unnecessary pressure on their spine. Here's the fix. Practice the hollow body. Hold on the floor. Press your lower back firmly into the ground. Pull your belly button toward your spine. Then hold that position. Stay tight. Stay controlled. Every second under tension teaches your core to stabilize the way it's supposed to. Master this one position, and you'll build the foundation for every advanced core exercise that comes next. Step 2. Stop rushing through your twists like it's a race. You sit down and swing your arms left and right using momentum, completely bypassing your deep abdominal walls. You think you are burning fat, but you are actually just treating the exercise like a mindless commute between reps. Instead, apply the slow motion tension method used by elite martial arts masters. Lean back at a 45-degree angle, lift your feet, and rotate your entire torso as one single, solid unit. Slow the movement down to 3 seconds minimum per side to force the muscle to do the work, not the damage. Step 3. Create maximum tension. The third mistake most people make is staying in a passive plank for minutes, while their hips slowly sag toward the floor. At that point, you're no longer challenging your core. You're just testing how long your shoulders can survive. Here's the fix. Use the RKC plank. Pull your elbows toward your toes, even though they don't actually move. At the same time, squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. Brace your abs. Keep your body locked in one straight line. This creates massive full body tension and forces your core to work at its maximum. Remember, it's not about how long you hold the plank, it's about how much tension you create while you're holding it. Building a core like Bruce Lee's doesn't require expensive gym equipment or complicated workout programs. It starts with mastering your own body, right on your living room floor. Remember, muscles don't grow just because they burn. They grow because you train them with the right amount of tension, fuel them with proper nutrition, and give them time to recover. Focus on quality, not endless repetitions. If you're ready to stop wasting your workouts and start building real strength using science-backed training, hit the subscribe button and join me for more fitness tips that actually work.